Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 5 Wi-Fi issue. iPhone 5 Wi-Fi issue that back several years that I have expect them to continue as the months and years go on. iPhone 5 user has complained about a wide variety of issues from the grid of Wi-Fi to unstable connection. Those issues continue to pop up after Apple's iOS 10 release, and we have heard from a few iPhone 5 users who have seen issues with the latest version of the operating system. Alright, there is no guarantee to fix for iPhone 5 Wi-Fi issue, but there are a few things that users can try before performing a factory reset, replacing a router, or taking the iPhone down to the Apple Store. First, if you can try restarting the modem, leave it off for a solid minutes and then plug it back in to see if that helps. If it doesn't, try restarting your phone. If none of that works, you will want to reset your network setting. To do this, turn on your iPhone 5 and head to setting. Alright, here I'm in setting, then go on general, then try to find the reset, scroll down and here's the reset, then reset your network setting, clicking it. You will need the passcode and again a few minutes of time because the phone is going to reboot itself to complete the changes. If you decide to try this fix, you'll also want to track down commonly used Wi-Fi password because you will need to input them again. If that doesn't fix things, you can also try turning off Wi-Fi networking. To do that, you had to go to setting, here's the setting, and then go on the privacy, and then go on location service, scroll down and find the system services, click on, and please turn off your Wi-Fi networking. After this, please try to reboot your phone. Hope the problem will fix. If none of this helps, take a look at Apple's list of potential fixes for Wi-Fi issues. You will get the support link on comment section. If you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs button. Please share this video with your friends to get them the solution of their problem, and please do subscribe my channel to get all the latest videos. Today I'm signing out. I'll come in the new video after this. Till then, everybody take care and bye-bye.